Okay, hello, everybody. Todd here, all things archery and shooting, and we're on the range today. We're going to be testing this TopArchery 3-piece takedown recurve. We're going to be testing with 2 arrows on the range today. First arrow is going to be a 500 spine. Total arrow weight will be 400 grains, which gives about 8 grains per pound of draw weight. Has a 100 grain target point on it, 75 grain insert, and 4-inch turkey feathers. The next arrow we tested out today will be the same 500 spine arrow, but this one has a 150 grain point up front and a 100 grain insert, and 4-inch turkey feather gives a total of 500 grain, which is about 10 grains per pound of draw weight. We're going to shoot 5 arrows across this chronograph and see what our velocity is. Then we'll test them for accuracy. We'll test the bow for accuracy, how well it shoots, hand shock, and overall feel of the bow. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Okay, first arrow we're going to test is going to be the 400 grain shaft. 5 arrows. Here we go. $189. Okay, first arrow is going to be the 400 grain shaft. I'm about 10 foot in front of the chronograph. Chronograph's about 10 foot in front of the target. Here we go. First arrow. $189. Second arrow. $201. Third arrow. $198. Fourth arrow. No read. Try that fourth arrow again. Fourth arrow. $192. Fifth and final arrow. $189. Okay, now we're going to try the 500 grain shafts. Let's reset this. Okay, here we go. First arrow. No read. Okay, first arrow. 186. Second arrow. 182. Third arrow. No read. Okay, third arrow. Duplicate, 182. Fourth arrow. 184. Fifth and final arrow. Duplicate, 184. Okay, now we're moving on to how accurate the bow can shoot. We're going to use this 1/3 life-size hog target and that 1/3 life-size bear target. I'm going to put 3 arrows on this target at 20 yards. I'm going to put 3 arrows on that target at 30 yards. See how accurate the bow shoots. Let's get started. Here we go. First one's 20 yards. Okay, first target, 20 yards. Okay, first 20-yard group. Not too bad. Got 2 touching at in the 10, 1 to 9, about 2 inches apart. Now we're going to move on to the bear target. Put 3 arrows on it at 30 yards. Okay, bear target, aim right here on the top of the shoulder, 30 yards. Okay, here we go. We got one over here. This is to the left. Probably group wise are about 3.5, 4 inches at 30 yards. I got one in the bull, one outside, another one outside. All right. Step back, we'll get some shots of how the bow tillers, how it shoots, and I'll see how it does. Just do some more shooting. Okay, here we go. Take some more shots of that bear target down there. 20 yards. Not bad. Okay. Okay, this is that last 20-yard group I shot. 2 inches, 20 yards, all in the bull. Let's head inside and I'll give my final thoughts on this TopArchery 3-piece takedown recurve.